what's going on, wealth builders? Man, recently, two major companies made it extremely affordable to be able to purchase shares of their stock. And they are two powerhouses. I'm talking about Amazon and Google. They split their stock shares 20-1, meaning you would get 20 shares of Amazon or Google stock for every one share that you owned at the time. And I can tell you, I own both Amazon and Google, but man, I was so excited because those prices were starting to get a little expensive. And what I want to talk about today, and what I'm going to do today, is I want to talk about Google. 20-1 stock split. I'm going to be purchasing some Google shares in this video. I had talked about it. I've been thinking about it, but today we're going to do it, baby. Hey, welcome to Point Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds or ETFs, but more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget and how you don't actually need a lot of money to purchase stocks, crypto, or just invest, period. And with that being said, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up, baby. Share it with your family. Share it with your friends. You never know who could be looking for information like this. I'm sure there are several people out there that want to invest, but they all have the same perception. They're thinking you need a lot of money, and your boy Rod is going to show you that's not the case. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, here we are on 𝗖𝗥𝗬𝗡.com. This is the website that I actually use to research stocks that I'm thinking about purchasing, or in some cases, thinking about selling. But I am more of a buy and hold investor, meaning I keep my stocks for a long period of time. Before I go any further, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Any investment that you decide to make sure you do your own research before investing one single dollar of your hard-earned money, and also never invest a dollar you can't afford to lose. Now, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and type the symbol. Now, I always talk about knowing the stock symbols. I could easily type Google, and it's going to come up. Google is golden. I don't want to do that. I'm going to type the symbol GOOGL. And it's going to tell me right here, Alphabet, because the name of the company is not Google, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go back. I'm going to type Alphabet, but I don't have time to type all that. And then I get confused because there's two of them. Now, you always want to invest in GOOGL, which is a Class A stocks, and then GOOG is Class C. The only difference is the voting rights when you vote as a shareholder. But I'm going to go ahead and click this, GOOGL. And it's currently trading at $109.04, up 10 cents today, or 0.09%. Keep in mind, right after I go over these past performances, I'm going to be purchasing some Google stock. And I want to go back and see, I don't need to see what it's doing today. In the last 5 days, it's down 5.05%. In the last month, it's down 6.23%. Looking good. In the last 6 months, it's down 19.29%. I want to stop right there because a lot of people say, well, Rod, why are you buying this stock? And everything so far has been negative. I want to buy low, and when I decide to sell, I want to sell high. So all of this negative is actually positive for my pockets and positive for us as investors. Keep on going. Year to date, it is down 24.82%. And in the last year, it's down 24.61%. Now I'm going to go over here, and I knew it would turn green. In the last 5 years, Google is up 129.01%, and in the last 10 years, it's up 516.92%. That's what is important. If you're a long-term investor and you're in it to win it, and you're not trying to buy and sell and buy and become a day trader, this is a perfect stock. So now that we've looked at the past performance, and I can tell you Google does not have a dividend, but now that we've looked at the past performance, what I want to do right now is go over and purchase some Google stock, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are in my Fidelity account. And normally when I make investments on this channel, I'm in my Robinhood account. But I have some money in my Fidelity account that I actually need to invest. Now, if you're interested in getting an account with Fidelity, I do have referral links where you should get some type of bonus. You'll have to email me at pointsblanktravel@gmail.com. And I also have a link down in the description for Robinhood, which is a lot simpler. And I'm going to be making some purchases, and I have several videos where I use Robinhood. But as you can see right now, I currently have $12,574.30 in my Fidelity brokerage account. I'm down $64.53 today. Lord have mercy. And for the year, I'm down 28.27%. I'm not tripping because I'm a long-term investor. Again, if you didn't catch it earlier, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to positions, and it's going to put it in alphabetical order. As you can see, I have several different positions. I'm going to go down to G. I'm going to hit Google. There it is, ticker symbol GOOGL. I currently have $48.02. Now, I do have Google in several of my brokerage accounts. This is probably my least holding in the Fidelity brokerage account. And as you can see, I'm down 13.55 today. I'm down $13.55, down 22% today. But more importantly, I'm going to go ahead and click buy more. And this here is why I really need everybody to pay attention. I have $423 available to trade. Symbol is already there. It's telling me Google is currently trading at $109.11. I'm going to go ahead and click. I don't have to click it. It's already on buy. I don't want to buy shares because we're investing on a budget. And today I'm probably going to invest somewhere between $25 and $50. So I'm going to go over to dollars. I'm going to go ahead and do $50. Now, some people may say, well, Rod, $50 is not on a budget. This could be $25. It could be $10, whatever you choose. But I just hit 50. I'm going to click done. It's telling me that my estimated shares is 0.458 shares. Now, I already have 0.44. Man, I'm almost at a full share of Google. I never thought I would see that happen. I'm going to click preview order. It's telling me right now that I'm investing $50, Class A share, market order. Market order means I'm going to buy as whatever the cost is, the market right now. I'm going to go ahead and click place order, confirming trade. And it's telling me order received, confirmation, number, and buy. And now I can go ahead and view the order status. I'm going to do that. It's showing me the order status. I'm going to go positions and see if it already made the trade. I'm going to go down here and refresh, uploading. Give me a second. We're going to see if it made the trade yet. And it already made the trade. I currently have $97.88 worth of Google stock. 0.898 shares, man. I almost want to do a whole nother video and just buy some more just to get to that full share. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go back and unshare my screen here and put me back on a full screen. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It is that easy to purchase stock on Fidelity. Robinhood is even easier, but what I wanted to do is to continue to show people how easy it is to invest on a budget. Now, I do have a special message right now. If you're a content creator, if you happen to be a YouTube content creator, I would highly recommend, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would highly recommend in investing in Google stock because Google is the company that pays me. I mean, that's who we get paid by. YouTube is owned by Google, which is a parent company, Alphabet. So what I like to do is I like to purchase Google stock because I know it's going to go up and it'll compensate for some of the money that I split with YouTube, who is owned by Google, who is owned by Alphabet in the process. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It was that easy to purchase some Google stock, parent company, Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOGL. Tell me, what do you think of Google? Do you plan on purchasing some? Man, not long ago, this stock was $16, $17, $18, almost $2,000 a share. Now I'm able to get it for $109 a share. I'm winning, baby. Tell me, what do you think about it? Post it down in the comments below. Again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumb up. Share it with your family. Share it with your friends. Share it with your cousin, your cousin's cousin. I don't care. Just share it with someone that may be looking for information like this. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, more importantly, dropping more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.